20th May 2022. This is the date when I started journaling, and to be honest, I was not that consistent, but it was the YouTube which made me consistent for more than 30 days now, and I'm still writing and updating my journal for every single day. And for all those of you who don't even know what journaling is, stick to the end of the video. You might not even know it, you might even try it. Spoiler alert, you will. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, and in today's video, we're going to talk about journaling and why is it so hyped up these days. Being able to watch over the past self and realizing how you have grown from that person to a completely different person was one of my motivations for starting to journal. The expectations, the situations you have been through, and how you have felt in that particular moment, to read them is completely different positive feeling you can create for your future self. Okay, so what is journaling? So there is a cliche definition of it on the Google which says it's simply writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them clearly. And by this, what it means is that you write whatever you are feeling at that particular moment or the thoughts you are having at that time, so that it could be on the paper or say in the physical form, and you can understand them more clearly. Now journaling have very different types, like there's a task journaling, there's a diet journaling, and there's a daily journaling, of which we are going to talk about in this particular video. And disclaimer, many of you all gets confused in the concept of Dear Diary and journaling. They are different. Very thin silver lining, but different. So being a content creator, this journaling has played a significant role in making of these videos, as I was journaling before I started videos on YouTube, and for making videos you had to script, and as I was not new to the concept of writing, it has really helped me to put my ideas which are in my mind into the paper. Simply, it has helped to gain the creative freedom for making out these videos. Secondly, well, this is theoretical, as I have only been journaling for 30 days, so I don't feel this in way, which is it helps in processing of thoughts easily. I don't completely understand the concept of what that article means to say, so if you understand it, then you can comment down in the comment section and let me know about it. But what I understand, which may be wrong, is that we as a male are not that comfortable as sharing our emotions and thoughts as the other half of the population. And journaling would really help us to share our thoughts and emotions to ourselves, because you're writing your emotions and thoughts in a book and you're reading it again. That's what sharing information to yourself is like. But that's what I think of it, okay? Don't judge me, I have a small mind. If you have written down some thoughts or ideas which you want to execute, then it really helps to make some new changes or just to add new things to it. And it makes you think out of the box for some reason. I myself have experienced it, so I'm telling you. So many of us all believe, and it is one of the reasons for not starting journaling, is that we think it is a procedure, like we have to sit down and focus on our thoughts and then write it down. Simply, it's all bullshit. It doesn't need to be complicated. Journaling don't need to be complicated, like there's this bullet points where you have to apply certain procedure or you have to write 3 to 4 pages every day. You don't need to make it like notes which you have to submit to a professor, which on the basis of that is going to give you grades. No, if you don't feel like writing it, then just write I don't feel like writing it, and you are done journaling for the day. That's what journaling is, your thoughts. So what is prompts? It is some predefined questions which you have to answer for every single time or every single day when you journal. It is very helpful in the start when you really don't know what to write, like how do you feel right now, or how do you feel about today's work, where do you see yourself in 5 years, or something like blah blah blah. I'm not a big fan of these type of questions, but it really helps, so you should try it if you are stuck to not try journaling. One of the things which I have seen productivity YouTubers do is that they recommend doing journaling in the morning, which is helpful, and I totally agree with that, but I don't agree with the quote that it is the only time you should journal. Journaling is something which you own, and you can do it at any time and anywhere. Either you are doing your lunch or brunch and you feel like it, then you can do it. You don't have to be strict with these type of particular things. Okay, so the conclusion, do I recommend it? Absolutely yes, because trying out new things does gives you new perspective to your life, and maybe trying out these things can solve your problems too. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.